In this guide, I'll show you how to fix controller input lag on your Xbox Series S or X. So from the home screen, press and hold the X button on your controller, and you want to turn off your controller fully for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, if your controller has low batteries, be sure to swap those out with a fresh set, as well as if your Xbox controller is far away from your Xbox, make sure it's close to it with a clear line of sight. Now what we're going to do is go to Settings, and from General, scroll over and select TV and Display Options. And if you have the option of selecting 120Hz refresh rate for your TV or monitor, I recommend you use that as it'll feel a lot more smooth while playing games. Now we're going to go to Advanced Video Modes, and if you have the option to turn on Auto Low Latency mode, ensure this is turned on, as your TV will automatically use game mode when this feature is turned on. Now if you can't turn it on, I still recommend you have a look on your TV or monitor, as sometimes you'll be able to turn it on, despite not being able to turn on Auto Low Latency mode on your Xbox. Now what we're going to do is scroll down to Devices and Connections, and select Controllers and Headsets. From here, select the 3 dots, which is More Options, and underneath Xbox Wireless Controller Settings, make sure your Xbox controller is up to date, as that'll affect the performance of your controller. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.